Hello. It's the 22nd of September, not the 21st of September, which I understand is an important day. We're gonna hang out. I'm gonna work on some game code. Eve, if you're here.
I'm here.
Okay. I wasn't sure if your mic wasn't working. This is the first I've heard from you. You're gonna be learning some Blender stuff.
Probably.
Be yelling at the Blender tutorial again.
Probably.
Alright. Oh. Stream is not picking up the Discord feeds. Let me fix that real quick. Yeah, there we go. I can see your beautiful cube and your other beautiful frustrum.
Oh, that's the camera that is naturally existing there.
Yeah, so the thing that comes out, the little pyramid that comes out of the camera, isn't that like it's called like a view frustrum or something? I should
Maybe.
know this. Gonna have to check now. Yes, it is. It's a portion of a solid line that lies between one or two parallel planes cutting it. It's what they use on it. So the camera has a frustrum, which is in a video game or a 3D rendering, is like everything behind the camera doesn't get rendered and everything up to a certain distance in front of the camera does get rendered. And that's inside that area.
What YouTube channel do you think is giving Skillshare codes?
Why do you need more Skillshare?
Yeah, well, okay, so if I don't cancel my membership today, I think it's going to charge me for the year, and I don't know if I want that, but if I do this every week, it's more worth it.
I mean, how much is it? How much is
120
year of Skillshare? I'll pay for a year of Skillshare for you.
That's 120.
Yeah. It'll come out of this channel's infinite budget, which is just my bank account.
I mean, I won't say no if you pay for it.
Yeah, I'll pay for it. That's
okay.
Fine.
It's just automatically gonna get taken off my credit card.
So I'll just put however much it is into your bank account and you consider yourself. Consider yourself bankrolled.
So bankrolled.
So bankrolled.
Okay, back to the basic Blender tutorials.
And I am gonna try and add XP points to this thing.
Is it still Doggo?
No, I'm not putting XP points in Doggo. I was working on like an HD version of my Flash game of Level Up. And, yeah, I have the prototype here. It was already part of my work contract that it was my IP, so they can't yell at me for working on it. I mean, they can, but yeah. I started working on this and I got very distracted by eventually I'll show it. Be a little easier to show you if Unity doesn't just like lag out for 17 years. I got very distracted by wall climbing because if you look at the prototype, like when you jump up the corners of walls, it just like feels really clunky. It feels really unpleasant. And I was like, oh, it'd be really nice if your character like mantled low slopes. Like mantled low things when you walked up to them, rather than having to jump. I got very distracted by that. And I'm going to come back to it, because I have a vision in my head for how I want this to work, and being able to mantle things is part of that. I'm really interested in anything. You know how games have like a sprint meter or like a dash meter right?
Yeah.
Or
It's like when it goes down when the more you dash, right?
Yeah, yeah. Or
Yeah,
there's a
Garden
thing where
Story
you're-
has that.
Yeah, or just like, your character has a thing when they're out of breath and they like breathe heavily.
Hmm.
And I'm like, what if I just like made that more like the physical extreme of pushing yourself too hard? So you like when you've been sprinting for too long, your character just like can't move properly. Like they'll fall, or they'll move slowly, or when you're like mantling things, they'll like slip down. They're like harder
I
to
like when they
control.
like. I like when characters like are out of breath.
Yeah, I want to map like physical exhaustion as a more difficult thing to deal with, and then still have leveling mechanic of like, oh yeah, you do things, you become physically fit, and then you don't have to deal with the stress of physical exhaustion as much
Ah.
because you're better at stuff.
Okay. Do I remember? I remember how to split the screen, and I remember how to get rid of the split screens. That's important. Go like this. Is it not there? If I go like this. What do you mean? There used to be a thing. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my god.
There used to be a bottom one. Oh, there's the bottom one. Okay. 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 Okay, good.
Hmm.
Okay.
Make
Okay. Okay.
OBS
What were you
dinky
again?
and see if
What
that
is the second one?
fixes the issue.
Oh, right. The numbers. The numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay, good. Good, good. Panels.
Okay. These are just mono behaviors that get
Okay,
references to other mono
Okay,
behaviors.
Maneuvering around in 3D space. Okay, okay. Do I remember this one? Right, wrong. What? Oh no. Oh, it's the middle button. Right, right. It's the middle button. Zoom. Pan. Okay, okay. Okay, what were you? I can't remember this. Right, right. The different styles. Gotcha.
Hmm.
Okay, wait a second.
I mean, this is already going better than last time because you didn't start it up and then immediately make 17 windows in your thing that you couldn't get rid of.
Wait, how do I do edit mode? No, go back. Okay. Click on the tab button. Where's the tab button? Oh, just literally click tab. That's not tab, that's escape. What the heck is tab? Ah, I found it. Okay, it goes goes to edit mode no matter which thing I'm on. Gotcha.
Okay. I have a sufficiently dumb idea.
Oop.
I hate how I can never remember how to spell monobehavior. Look it up every time.
Don't remember how to swap between. Is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay.
Well, that's a fun shape,
Isn't it?
right?
Change this.
I'm gonna
Okay.
enjoy.
Now look at my beautiful shape.
Oh yeah, that's great. I'm gonna enjoy powerful new technology and walk to the kitchen and get water while still talking.
It's getting even more beautiful.
I mean, I'll admire its beauty when I.
No, in
come
fact,
right
this is
back.
terrible because the triangles are like, excuse me, how dare you do this to us? R. Oh no.
Oh, I see.
R
Yeah,
is
the tries are like, how dare.
Yeah. It's like, that's not how we work. You need to add another face here, which I wish I knew how to do. Okay, we're gonna go look for new Blender tutorials. Not that I don't love this man, he is my savior.
I feel like
Ooh, modeling fundamentals. You think that'll help me?
somebody in one of my discords was looking for Blender tutorials. Me?
I'm gonna quickly screenshot this because I love the picture that they used for their thing. If I switch to a different screen, is it gonna mess up the stream?
It might mess up your stream.
Okay, let me just see, change windows. I just want you to see this beautiful. That mess everything up. Look how beautiful that picture is.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
It did mess everything up.
I can just see that picture that you're telling me is beautiful, so I'm assuming that's... If that's
Yeah, no, I just-
intentional, then
Yeah, no, it's just a picture.
right. Then
But
it's
look
right.
how beautiful that picture is for their course. It's just so funny. Okay, I'm gonna switch back to. No, that would be silly. There's Blender. Blender 3D modeling animation. No, not that one. Ooh, I'm gonna add UV mapping to that. That's an important one. Oh yeah, I'll add that one too. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the fundamentals. Let's do that one.
So this won't help you right now because of
It won't?
because of time zones. But yeah, you should wait until tomorrow or the morning or before 4 p.m. Vancouver time and message Kane's brother, Tommy.
They're brothers?
Yes.
What?
Did you not realize that? We made a whole game
No,
with them.
I didn't know they were brothers. I thought
They
they were
were
both your
related.
friends. I didn't know. You never told me. You're a butt. You're the butt.
This is very funny. Yeah, you should message Tominon, but not right now.
At what time?
Probably before 4 p.m. UK is 8 hours ahead of us.
And what do I do? Do I yell at him?
Yeah, just message him and be like, looking for tutorial, Blender tutorial.
Hey! Thank you.
And Nifty said that you could help.
Yeah, that would be fine.
You can use my real name. Obviously, he knows my real name.
I doubt I will. Sorry, Ryan was distracting me. What specifically do you want me to do to him? Break his kneecaps.
Yes, break his kneecaps. No, I think he learned his modeling in Blender, so he might be able to tell you. He might be able to point you in the direction of good resources. That's it. That's all I got. That's.
Okay, yeah. Shift. 3D cursor to 0. Shift C. That's what it is. Oop. Yeah. Okay. Glad I wrote some shit down. Okay, so we are on a new tutorial. Okay, let's go back to introduction so we know what we're doing. Okay. Hello, Weedy McDuckian.
Is there stuff in chat?
No, it's the guy who's teaching me the fundamentals of 3D modeling.
Right in your own home? How fancy.
Oh, he wants me to take his other course first.
Well, that's how they get you.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Tisk. Let's go see what else he has to offer. Oh, he has a Photoshop one, an Illustrator one, multiple Illustrator ones. 3 hours. Okay, well, I can probably speed through this one because it'll probably teach me similar to the other guy. I like the way this guy pronounces things because English is clearly his second language, but not like in a I can't understand anything. It's just like it's literally just adorable. He calls it like industry.
Industry.
Yeah, that's how he pronounces industry. Industry. Okay, yeah, it looks like this is a lot of what the other guy taught me, so I can... But it looks like this one might be a bit more in-depth. Oh, he wants me to make a table. Ooh, and a chair. Because it's free. That's why you learn Blender.
More and more people are entering the industry who just use it professionally, though. And also...
Does it cost money if you do it professionally? Or is it just
No.
always free?
No,
Sick.
it's always free. But what I mean is there's becoming a bigger reason to learn it other than because it's free, in that it's becoming standardized more places, because if you're the main art
okay.
person and you know 3D and you learn Blender, you can just be like, Blender's the tool that we use, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's like with Adobe and Photoshop, people are getting a little tired of Autodesk just
Being assholes? Yeah, fuck Autodesk.
like trying to designate how everything is because they own both major 3D packages.
Hmm.
accumulator? Did I spell that correctly?
Oh. He's telling me about the different UIs.
I guess this is the problem
This
with,
button.
with like starting over is you have to redo stuff, right?
You mean what I'm learning?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, I'm okay with relearning things. It helps me a lot. Animation. Motion. Default. Okay. What about scene? Oh, okay. Okay. And create presets. I looked away because he was teaching me stuff while I was writing, and now my words are going into my other words.
That sounds unfortunate.
Yeah. Preset. Control, and then left arrow. Key. Control. Wait, no, I should probably click here. Control. Okay, okay. What did that do? Okay, it brought me to compositing. Okay. Okay. Slash down. Oops. Oh.
Ryder insists the word levelable is not a real word.
Is it?
I mean, I'm not gonna Google it.
Mouse. Section. Important.
Actually, I can probably quickly.
Okay, customizing UI. Let's do this.
Oh wait, this isn't gonna work. Fuck. I cannot reference this thing this way. Oh, I should just man up and give these things names. Should just give them string names and then get them by their string names, even though I hate that.
Okay, there. I'm gonna speed this up. What?
What?
Oh, I just learned that if I pull this down, it like tells me the things. Oh. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, this is stuff I know. Good, good. No screaming yet, but we'll see. Aha! I learned about that last class. Now I've mastered it. Oh. So I could go like this, and then I could go like this. Then I could change my UVs on the fly. Okay, yeah, he's going over how I messed up last time and being like, sometimes people mess up this way. I'm like, oh, that's exactly how I messed up. So he's explaining me how to not mess up the way I did.
I mean, this is already sounding better than
Yeah.
the thing. Is this also a Skillshare tutorial?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, no, I understand this because I learned from my mistakes from the last class. Okay. Which means I'll probably never do that because me having to do it for more than one thing will bother me.
we go.
Okay, mouse viewport navigation. I think this is one I don't need. X is delete.
Extra upset with Twitch today.
One second. Sorry, why are you upset?
I'm extra upset with Twitch today. So I've got
Why?
music playing in the background because it helps me concentrate. And I was like, oh, you know, I want to set up background music for my Twitch stream, and I Googled it, and Twitch is like, oh yeah, here's this Twitch soundtrack by Twitch, which apparently is supposed to mean that you don't get DMCA'd because it's all music that they've approved, right? And they even put it on a channel so it doesn't appear on the actual stream. I downloaded it, I opened it, I hit a track to play, instantly crashed. Instantly crashed so badly that whenever I reopen the app, it just crashes again.
So, I'm gonna quickly find him. There's this guy on YouTube who is working on music for things like this. I don't know if it'll work on Twitch.
I have a separate thing that I'm using now called Pretzel. So I did solve the problem. I just really, when you pick the first party solution that is like, oh yeah, this is the thing that this service distributes, it's the one thing you expect to work out of the box, and then you expect
I'm still gonna
to
link you to the
yeah. And then you expect it to like not work as well as other solutions, but instead it just didn't work at all. It was just very pathetic.
But yeah, this guy, I think him and his buddies make the music, and it's free. Yeah, you can use it on Twitch, and I believe, yeah, you can request them make music for this thing. Like if you're like, oh, I want this kind of music, they'll look into making it. Where was I? This one. Okay. Object. No. Add. Where's monkey? How do I make an object? Okay, wait. I bet I have this written down. No, not that. Oh no. I don't remember how to create things. show. No.
Hmm.
Okay. Shift A. Shift A. Okay. Okay. Quick.
Let's call this thing a level calculator.
Shit. It's Shift C and then Shift A. Somebody said hello.
Hello. I can't read your name because of all the Cyrillic characters in it, or whatever they are.
Yeah, it's weird. Okay, there's the monkey.
Oh, you made a monkey. Congratulations.
Yeah, I did it. I made a Susan, I think the monkey's name was.
Yes. Good work remembering that from last week. It's probably like the least relevant thing to actually doing 3D modeling is the name of the monkey, and you managed to retain it in your brain.
Hey, I also remember how not to mess up my screens.
Man, sorry. No, that came off as really like I was giving you shit, but I'm genuinely impressed. I mean, I just don't remember anything ever, so that's that. Okay, this doesn't need to be a class, it can just be an interface. In which case, it's an level provider. And it has a function that you get a level and you put an amount of experience. And it gives you a level. Although, yeah, that's fine. Let's leave this. Let's leave this dumb. Let's leave this dumb.
If we assume the objects are wolves, this object is the alpha wolf.
What?
That's what he's talking about. Because that way, if you move it and everything moves, your alpha wolf and all the regular wolves are moving with your alpha wolf.
I mean, okay. Wait, what is going on with the stream right now? It's being a real turd. It really just doesn't want to update your stream.
Oh no. Here, let me try swapping screens again.
No, I can
No,
I can see
it's too late.
I can see your stream. in Discord. Try like not unpinning this thing.
Okay, add also does it. Okay, okay, I see, I see.
Yeah. We go here and then go back again. Okay, it's refreshed now. Can you do something on your screen? Okay, there we go. It's decided to work now, apropos of
Thank
nothing.
you, dear.
I just live without this stuff. Why can't technology work? Why can't things just function? Level provider. Yeah. Okay, that Discord alert I have is from you.
Me? Oh, yeah, because I linked you the thing.
Yes, 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 yes. Whatever, let's not. If I over-extract this, I'm gonna be here all week. Alright, then we'll make another bigger. Provide a function. Itchy elbow. It's the worst. What are you trying to do now? With your
Oh,
monkey
I'm just
head?
learning more basics.
Okay.
Right now I know how to zoom in on the object I've selected and how to zoom out to everything in the scene. What is the button? That's it. So if I move that over there, press the dot, then I press home.
Wait, did I do this round the wrong way? Is it this way? Yes, it's this way around. Don't know why I'm allowing levels to be negative values. Yeah, that would be very interesting though.
Are you still sped up? Speed up more.
Okay, well then, let's do this. Oh man, this track kind of slaps. Oh wow, your monkey face got white as hell. Man, it's just really easy for you to entertain yourself, eh? I'm just like, I'm gonna sit here and squash and stretch. Okay.
Okay, that's funny though.
That looks like a thing you'd see in like one of those like low quality meme pictures.
Yeah, it is. Return to monk. Rotate.
Wow, this
Oh, my monkey went over there.
fucking writer is just generating some crazy looking namespaces.
And grab that.
There was like a little breakdown in my music when you started spinning the monkey head around, so it looked like it was spinning to the music. Yeah, that's not gonna be bad at this streaming thing, because I'm not used to talking about my process when I'm doing stuff. I usually just like do it. You just like write the code.
Oh no. Oh no, my monkey.
RIP. I guess you
Go around.
you fucked around and you found out.
Shut up. I found it.
Alright, well, you know what I think?
What do you think?
I think you've had enough fun and you should get back to the business of learning things.
I'm kind of learning.
Learning how to have a good time.
Yeah, it looks like a spaceship.
Monk spaceship.
Monk ship.
Yeah, if they had one of those, they wouldn't have to take over Earth.
And
Man, now though, that's like a movie series that I'm like, I should get round to actually watching the whole trilogy.
okay, my monkey's starting to look normal again. Okay, yeah.
Don't you discriminate against your monkey? Jeez.
Calm down, monkey.
What are you even learning right now?
How to only scale in one axis.
Why is it like flipping out like
I don't know why it's flipping out.
That can't be. Oh, there we go. Did you just like scale it so much so that it can't? It can't.
No, I don't. It's like if you hold it, it's supposed. If you, maybe I'm only supposed to tap Y. Yeah, okay, that's my problem. Is I'm accidentally holding Y instead of tapping it, and so it's just like going back in and out of only scaling on the Y-axis and scaling on all the axes. So it's just like blah,
okay.
blah.
Okay, yeah, it does not know what to do.
Oh wait. Shift Y. Shift Y. Yeah. See. Okay, this might be important. This is important. Okay. This is great. It's true, Liddy. It's true.
Stretch monk.
Stretch monk. Return to stretch monk.
I mean, when they made, was it Mario 64? They intentionally put that like stretchy, squishy.
Oh yeah, the stretchy,
Mario
squishy.
face
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, it was like a really intentional decision by Nintendo to like try and make 3D seem familiar and playful to people before like trying to wrestle with the controls of Mario, like moving a character in 3D space. Which like used to be a challenging thing, eh?
I'm gonna rewatch 8, 9, and 10, so I can try to beat the information in my head. Alt G Alt S reset balance. So G hits move arm. Hey, you stop that. Alt G. What? No, that's not what you're supposed to do. Alt R. Okay. Alt. Oh, I said. Oh wait, Alt S.
Oh, sounds like you're learning a bunch of keyboard shortcuts.
Yeah, apparently Blender's all about the keyboard shortcuts.
Do you got a cheat sheet?
I'm writing the things down.
Okay.
I'll probably create myself a cheat sheet in the future. Oh. Okay, we're gonna wind that a bit. Oh no. Okay. Interaction. Oh, writing. Get. That's the usual. Edit. That's moving pixels around. Sculpt. I like the sculpt one. You saw me playing around with sculpt.
Yeah. Sculpting's like a whole thing, right?
Yeah. Wait. Paint. And then text. Actually, I don't mind this and rewatch it. Actually learn something. Oh, nice. We're gonna go to texture. Oh, look what you've done. Fine, I won't do that right now. Oh, actually, oh no, what have I done? Shift A to create monkey. Oh no, what have I done? We're gonna go back to texture. Okay, well, it's time to make a new scene. Okay, okay, good. Okay, I already knew this part. Do what the heck? No, don't do that. We're going to go like this. Nope. And if I go like local.
Don't need that anymore.
Ah. Okay. Okay.
Let's do some housekeeping. Housekeeping. Ugh, I gotta go through and just fix all these gross namespaces this thing's made. There's got to be a better name for a thing that has levels. That has levels and can gain experience.
Okay, I need that. Okay. So go to edit. Yes. No, okay. I'll try to have to figure that out again.
Ooh. Fisty Fluffs is out.
Ooh.
This is gonna be potentially the next interesting thing. I don't think getting the car loser is going to do any favors to Tucky's score. Oh, it's actually been marked as ineligible. I'll find out if Tucky wants me to remove it. Because it seems really unfair. Nobody could have predicted this. Do you have an opinion?
Not really.
Okay. I'm just out here trying to do the right thing, not have anyone mad at me about their fantasy points.
Is that it? Should guess. Cursor selected. Edit mode, object mode. Oh my was. How do I set origin again? Okay.
Just gonna stare blankly at this code, like it's just gonna help me solve any of these problems. Looking for a 3D artist who can quickly generate low quality 3D assets given 2D images. What? I mean, I guess we gave up trying to make things well, so now we're just paying people to make things badly.
Me IRL.
I fucking love the horrible jingles and horrible logos site. It's so perfect. You get exactly what you pay. It doesn't cost much, and you get exactly what you pay for. I actually want to complain that a lot of their logos are much nicer. A lot of the logos are not horrible enough. If you have a thing that can be leveled up, like jumping, and each level... Breathing.
Leveling.
Yes. You can level up your leveling, that's fine, that's whatever. It's like
Good.
one of the easiest things.
Blinking.
There's no blinking.
Petting dogs.
Yeah, sure. Not a problem. I mean, I need to put a dog in the game, and I'd need to add a verb for petting it, and then you could level up petting the dog, but that's like...
Scrolling Reddit.
That's whatever, no. I refuse.
Doom scrolling, in general.
Okay, I wasn't asking you to list things off.
That's what it sounded like.
No, I was starting to just talk through a thing out loud. I've got like a thing that stores the amount of experience you have, right? That counts the XP you get. And a thing that can take that XP and be like, based on this XP, this is what level you are. And then a thing on the character where I can be like, apply this level to the character so that their stats change. Right? And I've got, in the original game, there were like 5 important things that you could level, which was like running, jumping, taking damage, and then 2 other things that I don't remember. There's like collecting, yeah, there was like a collecting level that went up. There was also an idling level because, you know, it's just life. But I'm like, do I attach the stats to the level? So does the level 1 jump have all the level 1 jumping stats associated to it? Or do I just have, like, jumping level, and then all the stats for jumping are somewhere else? There's like a list of jumping stats.
That I don't know.
I mean, that's what I'm sat here trying to work out. I already made
Listing things was way easier.
Yeah, I wasn't... So 2 things. One is I wasn't asking because it was...
Yes, you were.
Is this I'm just not allowed to finish a thought anymore?
No.
I wasn't asking because it was easy. And I wasn't even expecting you to be like, this is the way you should do it. I'm just... You're my rubber duck now. I'm saying...
What does that even mean?
It's rubber duck programming. So when you have a programming problem, you have like a little rubber duck. And it doesn't have to be a rubber duck, but that's what it's called. On your desk, like a little physical thing. And you tell the rubber duck about your programming problem. And the act of describing the problem to somebody else can make the solution a lot more self-evident. Or make it obvious that the problem you're trying to solve is not actually a problem or whatever. A whole bunch of things. You're my rubber duck now, I talk to you because you're on the stream. Congratulations.
S is for scale.
We can tell you're entirely unmoved by this.
No. You can just hear Ryan typing away back there. Type. No, not rotate. Ah, shit. Ah, no. There we go. I wanted skip. Not that. Copy paste. Copy paste. Click. Extrude region. Yes. Now.
That means... this means that... each thing in this list needs to supply an amount of XP it requires in order to work.
No, and then... what was the other thing? W? No, it's not W.
Not W?
G.
Oh, you have a shape that looks kind of like a roof.
What is the move? Oh no. One, oh.
If you've moved on to subdividing surfaces.
Not this page. No, not this page. G. No, it wasn't. G is no, that's not what I wanted at all. S? Why won't it do the thing I want? G. Okay, yeah, no, that's what I want. Okay. Now click.
Wait,
Now
is this? Okay, I can only get the enumerator.
And now. Extrude. Yes. Beautiful. We're gonna click this now. We're gonna move this back up. Like that. And now, let's see if this. We can go to select. Yes. And then we're gonna go to back chat. No, I don't want that select. Wait, I know. Double A. Ha 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 ha. Oh no, I did something. What did I do? Control Z. Okay, now it's fine. This one. I'm gonna go with that. No, do not extrude. Don't do that. Double A. And then
B.
this.
Right back.
Okay. So then, let's select you, and you, and you, and you. So, here, no, this is. We're gonna do that, and then we are going to S, and then Y. Okay. Okay, yeah, and then we're gonna click S, and then X. Okay, what we're gonna do now. We're gonna go to, okay, we're on face. Yes, I can. Going to book this. Let's enter. We're gonna move it down. We're gonna book this. Yeah, I think we're gonna upload this.
Hola.
Hi.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hold on, just look. We're gonna hit that, and then we go like this, this, enter. Now we're gonna go to vertices. Man, in Maya, if I double click the line, it would select around the whole, it would select the whole line.
Not in, oh, you mean the whole loop?
Yeah, it would select the whole loop. Yes.
Well, let's... Ugh. Okay, define
What?
this as eye level data. And then that will define public long at. Oh, wait, don't need a public because it's an interface. There we go.
That's I'm glad. Oop. No, wait, that's not what I want to do either. Click this. I didn't hit shift. Go like that? Okay, yeah.
Right, I don't need the generic there. Oh, you're making it into a dome? Or is a dome?
You'll see what I'm making.
The duck dimmadome of the Dimsby dimmadomes.
The Dimsdale Dimmadome.
Duck dimmadome, duck dimmadome, dome, duck dimmadome. Oh. Well, this is technically immensely stupid now. Because order doesn't matter. don't need to throw an exception anymore.
That's...
Oh no! Fuck. Yeah.
What?
I just did the code planning bad. It's fine.
Oh, okay.
Just don't know how to curse a real sword.
I don't know why my brain keeps being like, R means scale, not rotate.
I guess like, ugh. Ugh. It's gross. Okay. Fuck this idea, I hate it. This idea's out. It's too clever. I need to be less clever, I need to be more stupid. If I want to get things done, I need to be more stupid. There's a better saying like that that's something like, that goes something like, perfection is the enemy of good enough. Which, yeah, I'm feeling that. I just think that perfect is just a hilarious thing to talk about in game dev. Nothing is perfect, ever. Nobody in the history of anything, anytime, ever, anyone released a game ever, or even a piece of software and was like, that's it. This version...
Can't get any better.
It is absolutely the perfect version. Nothing will need to change ever. It's great. Because even if you wrote all the perfect code and did the perfect implementation and everything was as usable as it humanly could be, which we all know is not true, like how are you gonna make your thing usable for 7 billion people and you haven't met them all yet? The requirements will change because technology keeps changing all the time. Even if your thing was perfect, it's not going to stay perfect. It'll be perfect for all of 3 seconds. I mean, I guess your app is great until literally anyone else touches it. No, it's not.
Okay, I'm done.
It's
Can
a
you tell what
it's
it
a
is?
pumpkin. It's a pumpkin.
Yeah! I made a
Look at
terrible
that.
pumpkin.
That's decent, given that you've been learning from tutorials in the internet for like 2 hours.
A beautiful pumpkin.
Looks great. Now make 20 of those, and you'll have a pumpkin patch. That's how that works.
Uh, 50? Yeah, 50.
Oh, look at that.
Is that enough pumpkins, Duncan?
Yeah. Looks like 20. Admittedly, I looked for like 2 seconds.
There, now I have a pumpkin patch.
Nice. And one weird cube thing. The prototype PS5.
Yeah. My pumpkin. And show off my pumpkin to everyone. I'll be like, hey guys, look at my sick ass pumpkin.
I mean, at least your pumpkin has artistic merit.
Okay. Very proud of my pumpkin. Maybe I'll be able to make more than a pumpkin when I watch more tutorial. Ooh, smooth. Look at my beautiful smooth pumpkin.
I actually preferred the not smooth version.
Yeah, I know. The not smooth version looks way better.
It has like a better. I was gonna say silhouette. Well, also a silhouette, but like it has a more distinct shape.
Yeah. I know how I'd want to change my pumpkin. But I don't want to do it right now because I'm really lazy. If I was more... If I knew how to do this a bit better, or like use the thing a bit better, I would just model half of it, duplicate, and swap it because it's perfectly round. It'd be easier. But I'm lazy and I don't know how to do that on Blender. And I probably don't remember how to do it on Maya either. I'm going to file. Save as. Save as pumpkin blend. Save as Blender file. We can go to open. We can go to open reset. Good. Now I know how to open this file. 666. Now let's see if I mess this up. Oop. Yep, I messed it up because I don't know how to do that. Go back to object mode. Okay, that fixed it. Okay, well, maybe I can at least do this. I'm gonna paint my pumpkin. To make my paint tool bigger so I can paint my pumpkin faster.
Man, that's really orange.
Yeah, I haven't done any shading yet.
Hard.
Dark.
One thing at a time, I guess. Okay.
Okay, here we go. First, we're gonna paint the bottom darker because of course the bottom's gonna be darker. Why wouldn't the bottom be darker, you fool? Now we're gonna back up here, make it lighter. Too light. No, needs more color. We are going to no. Want you. Okay, that's good.
Can't lift conditional access expression type T level data to nullable type.
Brian's laughing at my pumpkin.
Well, that's mean.
I know, right? Put so much effort into it, and he's just XDing.
Ask him if he can do better.
We both know he can't. He knows he can't. We all know he can't. No. Dark green. Vanilla.
Oh, right. There we go. Oh, I am very smart.
I think it's a lighter color. That's too greeny. Maybe that's very basic. where the pumpkin's been sitting. Okay, now look at my beautiful pumpkin.
Oh, it's got green at the top like a real pumpkin.
Yeah.
And then I guess.
It's actually be like more brown, but yeah.
Oh, I bet you didn't model the bottom right. It's just flat on the bottom.
No,
no, you did.
Give some modeling.
Are they not brown at the bottom, or is that just when they've been out for a while?
I've been trying to make it like a white. It's usually like a white kind of thing because the orange doesn't properly, like where it's been sitting. What happens with watermelons as well? It'll be like a yellowy white. It's where it's been sitting. It doesn't get as much green or orange. I could get more brownie.
Well, that's cute. There's these pumpkin planters, so you could just have pumpkins all year round.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, no, there is little. It's like a light brown little starfish in the bottom. I'm not crazy. Like a taupe or something.
There, now it's perfect.
Now it's good
Could
enough.
not be improved.
Now it's good enough because...
No, perfect. Could not be improved. There's literally no way to improve this.
I mean, I don't see a dog I can pet, so... I beg to differ. Man, I feel like this is the third time I've done this.
It's almost 10:30 bad away.
Yeah, I know. I was like... trying to get all my code compiling again. Just gonna do this for now. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. This certainly complicates things. Okay, well, whatever. This is me for tonight. Every cell in my body has been screaming at me to sleep all day, so... Can't believe my rotten luck. Yesterday in the evening, so in the afternoon I got like an Americano coffee. And the cup was just like sat there on my desk, and it must have been like 8 or 9 o'clock, and like by automatic I like picked up the cup and drank a couple of mouthfuls of cold coffee, and I just couldn't sleep later. And now I'm dying just because I'm so fucking absent-minded. It's great. And by great, I mean it's awful. I hate it. Alright, I'm gonna go play through more of Getting the Car Loser. See you.
Is it fun?
Yeah, it's good. It's not... It's weird in a bunch of ways and not really tutorialized properly, but like once you get to grips with how it works, it's really interesting. It's like the combat's like the stagger system from Final Fantasy 13, but it's about like building a combo towards your stagger, because you have like 3 sets of, like, you know how you have the combat system where you bind each attack to X, Y, A, B, or circle, triangle, square, like the 4 face buttons, right?
Hmm?
And there's 3 of them, and you can only move forward through them. And when you move through the last set, one of your characters will do their fate attack, which is like a really strong attack that puts everything on a 6-second cooldown before you go back to the first set.
Mm-hmm.
So it's all about planning about which abilities you're going to put in what sets and where, so that you can like peak damage somewhere in your combo. And then it's just a case of like going into the fight and actually inputting it properly and not fucking up.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's interesting. It's just like, because it's interesting, there are things about it that are frustrating. Like, for example, it's very easy to accidentally hit an enemy with an attack of its own element, which will heal it for a lot.
Oh, yeah.
And it's not very well signposted.
Before we go,
Yeah.
not next Wednesday, but the Wednesday after that, it'll be during Demo Fest. Do you want to stream demos?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Alright. Thanks, I see 2 people, which means one of them must be Liddy. Thanks, Liddy. And
She was watching earlier for sure.
and mysterious stranger, whoever you are. We'll be back next week to do more of this. Eve will maybe work on something more ambitious than a pumpkin. I don't know. I feel like
I'll make other gourds.
I feel like I should take the assets that you do and put them in a thing, like make a small interactive thing with each of the assets that you make. That'd be like fun and goofy.
We'll see. I still technically haven't given this a texture. It's just painting the vertices.
That's fine. I can do a render. I think I can do a render in Unity that will just like render the painted verts.
Oh, maybe.
I mean, export a thing.
Nothing's there. Okay.
I guess it maybe export a thing and find out, but I don't want you to get bogged down in the like, how do I export a thing, you know? That's like a hassle in its own way. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Thanks. You'll see.
Yeah, if I go back to object mode, it just like goes back to being yeah, thank you. Thank you, Liddy. I love you.